Maple syrup. It's so good. And if you're gonna buy it, okay, so this is what I like about this. What I like about this is that it's aged in whiskey barrels, so it gives them that little kick. And actually, here it says, look, it says, organic maple syrup. So this is an organic maple syrup, which is important. It's single blend, so it all comes from the same place. It happens, it's seasonal. So if you can get a bottle of this, hurry up, because this is not going to be around for a long time. Let me show you. It's a nice gift. So I'll show you how well packaged it is, right? And it, you know, comes really nice. And it says, because it's aged in whiskey barrels, I mean, it has a nice bite to it. I wish you could taste it. It says, it may contain a little traces of bourbon taste. So this is awesome. I super recommend it. Not only just to put it on of course pancakes and French toast and everything, but if you doing a smoothie, right, and you wanna like sweeten it up with something really nice that has a little like bite to it, this is the thing. I have a couple of bottles of this. When I buy because I know this thing is just gonna disappear. And it's, you know, maple syrup is a seasonal product. Of course, this will keep for a while, but not in this house. This is going to really disappear really, really fast.